Here's a quick little unboxing of this EZClicker for Samsung TVs. Nice package right here. I really like the look of the colors when I was looking at this remote. So excited to see what it looks like actually in person. Wrapped up in this plastic. Little instruction manual right there, but it's pretty straightforward here. I love how big the buttons are. Super nice, and they're like got that good rubber feel to them, and they're just big and large and bright, so it's really easy to see and touch. Like this is one where you can easily not have to look at your remote, and just by the feel of things you can know which buttons you're on top of. So all plastic, quite lightweight. You got your battery compartment right here in the back that takes, what is it, AAA? Yeah, AAA batteries, but it does not come with the batteries, so you have to provide the batteries yourself. But great remote right here.